Hi everyone, this is MK. Welcome to my channel, and this is here's another problem of LeetCode Daily Challenge. Oppenheimer just won the Best Picture for Oscar, so we start our day with a quote from him, as you may have heard during the last year many times. All right, today's problem is medium, but not medium. It's an easy problem. The constraints of the problem are very small. You can do all sort of things. You can have a set, a map, for loop, anything you want to do with 200 characters, you can do. All right. So let's take a look at I think the name of the problem is telling us the whole problem, what the problem wants custom sort string. You're given two strings, order and s. Okay, and all characters of order are unique and were sorted in some custom order previously. Now permute the characters of s so that they match the order that order was sorted. Okay. More specifically, if a character x occurs before a character y in order, then x should occur before y in the permuted string. So this is a custom order. All right. Return any permutation of s that satisfies this property. Any permutation. So in this case, we have CBA. This is the order. So any C in the final answer should come before any B, and it should come before any A. And we have A, B, C, D. Oh, this is the first thing that you notice. D is in S, but it doesn't appear in the order. And we have it here in the explanation. It says, since D does not appear in order, it can be at any position in the returned string, at any position. So it doesn't matter. We just care about C, B, and A. Okay, and let's take so the way to think about this problem. One of the ways, as I said, there are many ways of thinking about this problem. One of them is to assign an integer value to these letters, and then sort S based on those integer values. Let's go and take a look at the first example here. What I mean is that, let's say C has integer value of 0, B is 1, and A is 2. Okay, so we go on, and here we say, hey, what is the value of A? A is 2. Okay. What's the value of B? It's 1. What's the value of C? C is 0. And D, we can give it any number in this case. Doesn't matter. We can give -1, whatever. It doesn't matter. We can give 0. Basically, it doesn't matter. And then look at the pair of characters and integer. I'm gonna show you. So A and 2. Then we have B and 1. Then we have C and 0. And then we have D and -1. So these are tuples, pairs, based on the programming language of your choice. You can sort them based on the second element of this pair. So if we sort them, it's going to be like this. So D, -1, and then it's going to be C and 0, then it's going to be and 1, and then it's going to be A and 2. Right? And now we concatenate the answer here. So we have D, C, B, and A. That's it. And the next one here, we have C as 0, B is 1. Is it the same? Yeah, that's the same, sorry. So, okay, let's copy this and go back here and add that here. Okay. Sorry for that. You go and you come here. All right. Now, let me get rid of this. Okay. Here B is 0, C is 1, A is 2, F is 3, and G is 4. Okay. Now we go here and A should be what? A should be 2. So we add here A and 2. Then B should be B and 0. B and 0. Okay. Then C should be 1. So C and 1. And D. D we don't have. So D and -1. Again, we sort this. It's going to be D and -1. Actually, you know what? It's better for the sake of sorting. It's better to, in your pairs, it's better for the first element to be the integer. So instead of this, I'm going to do this. 2 and A. 0 and B. 1 and C. -1 and D. Now, if you sort them, you can easily sort them based on the first element. You can still do it this way, but at least in C++, this is easier. In Python, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because you need to have that lambda function. So if you sort this, it's going to be -1 and D. This is the sorted version. Okay, let me use another color. So it's going to be -1 and D. Then it's going to be 0 and B. Then it's going to be 1 and C. Then it's going to be 2 and A. And now you concatenate them. So it's going to be D, B, C, A. Yes, that is an A. D, B, C, A. And if we go back here, B, C, A, and D could be anywhere. All right. So let's write the code and see. So we need a vector of pair of int and char. All right. Pairs, whatever. And now we have for int I is 0. I is less than order dot size I plus plus. So we need a dictionary to give this integer to the members of order. Remember this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This needs a dictionary. We need to add each character of order to a dictionary. So we need this map char int order dict. All right. So order dict of order I should be I. That's it. So that's basically what we did here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we add them to a dictionary. Okay. Now we need this pair. And now we do a for loop on S. So for char C S, for each character, we find the order. So if order dict dot contains C, if it contains C, then pairs dot push back make pair of that order. So order dict of C and C. Okay. Otherwise, if it doesn't contain, we just add -1. So here we add -1. And it doesn't matter because any character that is not present, it doesn't appear in order, you can assign -1 to all of them. And the order changes. Basically, they are the same. So, and here we sort pairs that begin, pairs that end, and we make the result string back. So this is result, and for okay, result plus equal p dot second, right? P dot second is the character. P dot first is the integer. Remember here, the first is integer, the second is character. So we add the second one to the result and then return result. All right, that's why only one of them. We need to test both of them. Okay, and submit. That's it. As I said, there are many ways of solving this problem. One of them is to think recursively. Can you solve this problem recursively? Like, this should be your function. String solve recursively, string order, and string s. How do you think about this problem recursively? Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe if you enjoy, and see you tomorrow.